A final in the men's K2 1000. You were up there in the silver position until like 150 meters to go or so. What happened?
Yeah, I don't know. We fought really hard today, but you know, they're all sort of learning races. It's massive improvements off last week, even though it's the same result, a consistent 6. So you know, yeah, things to work on. We got 12 weeks to pick up. I think it was like 2.5 seconds. So it's a lot better than last week. I think the Germans beat us by about 4 seconds. So we're trying to improve each week, and I'm sure it'll come. We're hungry and motivated now.
You look really strong, Jordan.
Yeah, we really wanted to execute the first section of our race, and we had a little bit of a mishap at the start where we just tapped the start gate a little bit, and we definitely spent a few more bickies in the first 500 that we wanted to, but I think our execution for the middle of our race was quite good, and I think in 12 weeks time we'll definitely find that last 200, 150 meters.
So in 12 weeks time at the World Champs, it will be about the quota spot for the Olympic Games, and it will be top 6.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, so it's top 6, but you know, we don't just want to just come 6. We want to be on the podium. I think we picked up a 4th last year at the World Champs, and you know, that got us really fired up because we thought we deserved to be on that podium. So it's something that we're using for motivation every day now to get better. And you know, it's a sixth place today, but you know, we're hopefully going to be a different crew by August.
Yeah. So what's ahead now, Jordan? Next steps.
We're heading home. We're going to do just a pretty solid block of training at home, and then come back over to Europe about 7-8 weeks out from World Champs, and that'll be our main block where we really want to start hitting good numbers in our K1s and even better numbers in our K2s, just to put us in the best position come August.